Hello students, it is the second part of the revision of class 11th. SQL. SQL is a structured query language and it is a powerful way of communicating with it making queries. That is, asking the RDBMS to show your desired data in desired format. It's full use of power of RDBMS. By using this SQL queries, simple queries, you can get your desired output or retrieve the data that you want. Okay, in this video, I take the quick review of simple queries in SQL. Before that, we know the basic elements. What are the basic elements of SQL? It's a literals, data types. In these data types, numeric, date and time, string types, nulls, comments. All of you use these data types where you to create the database or the tables or to use the queries to display the data. Okay, so SQL commands, the mostly used command is select. By using select, you can retrieve a subset of rows or columns from one or more table. Syntax is that select column name from table. For example, select name, comma, roll number from student table. By using select command, you can retrieve a subset of rows. With the help of condition, you can display the particular data, particular rows from tables. Distinct. Distinct is eliminating redundant data, that means the duplicate data, from the rows of resulting database. Because by using the select command, we use to retrieve the data to display the data on the monitor on the output screen. Okay, it will not change your original database or the table. So distinct command is used to eliminate the duplicate data. Syntax: select distinct column name from table name. Select distinct city from supplier. It shows the duplicate entries like city name Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore. To it eliminate the duplicate entries, that means the duplicate name of the city, and shows the only one entries, that means it shows the distinct the entire output row. Okay, next, all keyword. It's similar to the select all command. Select all column name from table name. Select keyword, retain the duplicates output rows. Next is show tables. To view the tables in database that the user was created. To show the tables, first all of you use the database name and then use the command show tables. DESC command is used to display the structure of table. It shows the structure of table. In this, shows the table name, data type, then null, key, default, extra. That means whenever you create a table, what and how you are applying the different format or the different attributes or the different functions to that particular field. Where clause. Where clause is very important clause in SQL. By using the where clause with the help of select command, you can display a specific or the selected rows. Syntax is select column names from table name where condition. In this condition, you can apply the relational operator or the logical operators. With the help of this, you can set the condition. Relational operators is used for the comparison is true or false, and the logical operators or and not are used to connect search condition in the where clause. Between operator defines a range of values that the column values must fall into the make the condition true. In between operator, it defines a range of values that column values must fall into the to make the condition true. The range includes both lower value and the upper value. In given example, select I code, comma, DESP, comma, QOH from items where QOH between 30 and 40. It shows the output between, that means the from including the 30 and 40 values from 30 to 40. It shows the tables. If you are having the table, then it shows the such type of data that you wanted. Then in, select the values that match any value in given list of values. In specified list, in operator is search, select values, and if the values are matched, then it shows the list of that database. Okay, in this example, select start from members. Here we display the all records having condition where city in, the city in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore. If the condition is satisfied, then it shows the values or the records having the city name Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore. Sometimes condition based on pattern matches. SQL includes a string matching operator. It's called a string matching operators like %, underscore. Two special wildcards. It uses two special wildcards, %, and underscore. % character matches any substring and underscore character matches any character. Order by clause. Order by clause sort the result of query in ascending or descending order. It is again important clause. To ascending or descending order the data. By default, it shows the data in ascending order, that means A to Z. If you want to arrange the data in descending order, then you have to set the query like select star from EMP order by E code DESC. That means you have to put the DESC keyword at the end of query. The data in the table is not sorted, only the results that appear on the screen are sorted. Remember this. By using the order by clause, original database as it is, that means that your table never change. It shows the output. It changes the output, that means it changes the view. Remember that results that appear on the screen are sorted, original database are as it is. Okay. Next is MySQL functions. A function is a special type of predefined command set that performs some operation and return a single value. Whenever we use the function, it take parameters or the arguments in parentheses. That means is the circular brackets. You have to pass the values, and these values are called the parameters or the arguments. MySQL functions supports string functions, numeric functions, date and time functions. Here I give some examples. Char, concat, length, etc. Char returns the character for the each integer passed. That means returns the character. If you pass the value, suppose char 65, it shows the value capital A. Concat means the written concatenated string. Here you have to pass the two strings, and after that it shows the merge or the combined string or the joint string. Okay. And in length returns the length of the string in bytes. Total number of bytes it uses, how it's used. Numeric functions, mod function returns the remainder of one expression, and power function, it shows the power value of expression raised to the power of another expression. Then round, sqrt returns the non-negative square root of the numeric expression. By using these numeric functions, you can easily find out the values. Date and time functions. Date function extract the date part of the date or the date time expression. Month, it shows the month. Then year, it shows the and current date. If you want to returns the current date and time of the system, then you can use the sysdate function. Various functions are given in your book. You can take the reference of that functions. Okay, so here is the quick review of this class 11th MySQL queries. So in next video, we will start the new chapter. Thank you.